Hi cadets! Can we have some of your time for an interview?
Sure, sir.
Okay, so can you introduce yourselves, guys?
Hello sirs, my name is Santoyo Aaron Joshua. I'm 8 years old and I'm from province of Concepcion, Iloilo, taking the course of Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation.
Okay, so we would like to know.
So, sa labas po kasi sir, as I observe to myself, parang wala po akong sense of urgency. Parang yung time ko po, parang hindi ko consume na more productively. So here inside the academy sir, we teach na yung time po natin is dapat use it wisely sir. Because I think it is essential on board as a future mariner officer that we have a sense of urgency sir. For sir, my family. Because studying here is like parang they open some infinite possibilities. And syempre, pag iniisip ko yung family ko, especially to my mother, because my mother is a solo parent and has been raising me for almost like 18 to 19 years of my existence. And so parang gusto ko lang bawian yung sacrifice na binigay niya sa akin. And of course, the promise that I was been made to my late grandfather last year. So as Cadet Mirabel said, being a senior here, parang binibigyan ka niya ng sense of responsibility na syempre for this upcoming school year may mga freshmen na dadating. So yung mga experience na pinagdaanan ko and successfully na survive ko naman siya, parang gusto ko siya ituro sa mga freshmen ko kung paano mag-isip ang isang kadete dito sa loob namin. For me sir, given na ang buhay dito sa academy is mahirap, so you should expect that. And ang masasabi ko lang is, no matter how hard it is not an option to give up. Kasi, mas mabuting dinadanas natin ngayon is yung parang mahirap. Kasi, through the transition from there, successful na yung makakamit nyo dyan. Once na makagraduate ka dito, there's an unlimited potential that you can get or you can gain, especially waiting here in this prestigious school. And what I advise, or ang gusto kong advice dito is, yung parang they teach you here almost all the essential life skill that you can gain sa pagiging marino. And as our president said, that we train cadets here not just for a job, but for a life. So, magiging seaman is hindi lang dun. Tuturuan ka nilang dito na kung ano yung pwede mong gawin pagkatapos mo makamit yung career.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you sir.